Hey guys, we have the Lenovo duet Chromebook here and we're going to be unboxing this in this video. Let's just open the box. And here we got the tablet 2-in-1. So here's the tablet. Keep this aside and let's see what accessories we get. So it comes in this box. So we get a keyboard, case stand for the tablet, and also we have these manuals. Here we have some chargers and cables, C-type to aux adapter because this tab only has a C-type port, and C-type cable. Then we have a charging adapter. Let's open this up. So this is the sleeve from like stand, you can see here. So it magnetically attaches to the tab like so. Let's just align it. Quite strong here, it can hold it. And then we have the keyboard. Here we have the keyboard. It's pretty cool. And it also directly magnetically connects to the tab like this. Take it out. It's pretty strong. And then you have the laptop setup here. And then if you want to become a tablet, here you go. You got a tablet. So hey guys, this is it for this unboxing of this Lenovo duet Chromebook. Stay tuned and subscribe for the review of this video, which is gonna come in few days. And this is it. Subscribe for more videos and thanks for watching. Goodbye.